For those of you who don't know, that woman, she's holding a Stew Leonard shopping bag. Stew Leonard's is a grocery store in the greater New York area. It started more than 100 years ago as a dairy store. It's been called the Disneyland of Dairy Stores. If you ever get a chance to check one out, do it. You'll find it a lot of fun. You're probably thinking I've lost it. And if you don't know me yet, my name's Trip, and I help brewers of great beer market their way to their dreams. And this sounds like I've lost the plot. But you know what? I'm telling brewers about a grocery store, and it's about to make a lot of sense. We will touch on two things you can adopt from Stew Leonard's to build your business. First of all, Stew Leonard's has built a rabid fan base with people willing to drive hours and hours to shop at their store. They're driving by stores that have the same products, one after the other, just to go to Stew Leonard's. That's a powerful fan base. It's built on a couple of things, but first and foremost, customer service. That's at the core of this passionate fan base. They've actually won awards for customer service. Do you have a passionate customer base? If not, why not? Have you ever been in a grocery store where the owner or the management strolls along, checking with virtually every shopper to see if they're completely happy and content? At Stew Leonard's, the employees bend over backwards for the customers. It's their job to make each and every person that walks in their door as content as humanly possible. That's a great lesson to learn. As a craft brewer, you must go above and beyond daily for every single customer. Trust me, I've seen this level of customer service in the brewery industry, and I've seen it make a brewery rise to the top. I've seen it in a brewery that doesn't offer the best product. But you know what they do have? The biggest and most loyal following. Because the people who service and interact with folks in that brewery are treated like gold each and every time they visit. Now, the other thing Stew Leonard's has been doing for at least 50 years is encouraging people to take a Stew Leonard shopping bag with them on vacation and take a picture of that bag somewhere memorable, famous, or just unusual. No kidding. They ask you to bring that bag with you on vacation, and countless thousands of people have done it. It's remarkable how many pictures in a Stew Leonard store you have of these folks traveling literally around the world holding Stew Leonard shopping bags for their pictures. This is an idea you need to incorporate into your business. It can be a beer can, merchandise, literally anything with your name on it. Have people take a picture, post it on social media, and tag you. Turn it into a contest. The best photo each month gets some free merchandise. The people who most like your products will be the ones who jump on this opportunity, and it will grow and grow, just like it has for Stew Leonard's. Folks, this is marketing, incorporating a good idea into your business. What Stew Leonard's does will work exactly the same for you. Think about it. The same people who buy milk, ice cream, bread, most of them also like to drink beer. And certainly all your customers shop in supermarkets. So it is an apples to apples situation in that respect. This is something you can do that your customers are really going to enjoy, and it's going to help your business thrive. Now let's quickly review. First, providing customer service that outshines your competition will bear fruit repeatedly and exhibit itself in more places than you can possibly imagine. Make sure anyone who visits your location is not just satisfied, but you've exceeded all of their expectations. That needs to be a daily goal, starting with ownership down to everybody that works within your operation. Secondly, encourage and incentivize your customers to post on social media with your products in as many places, in as many ways as possible. This will make your best customers love you more and bring people who haven't yet tried your product to find out, hey, what's going on with this place? What's this buzz all about? Today, as a craft brewer, you have an enormous opportunity, but you got to grasp it. By grabbing it, I mean marketing your business better and probably doing it in a different manner than you have in the past. It's not harder, but it is different, and change takes getting used to. I'm here to help. Follow me on social media and sign up for my newsletter. It's all free, and I will help you navigate the changes happening in the craft beer industry today. Listen, I'm bullish. I think the best is yet to come for craft brewers. The only downside is not everybody's going to go to the promised land. And that's what I'm sharing with people like yourself, the path to the promised land. Cheers. Here's to your success.